In this video, I'll guide you through how to clear guides in your document using the clear guides command. This is a quick but really useful action when you're working with layouts that rely heavily on guides for alignment and spacing, and you want to clean things up without affecting your actual content. Let's start by making sure you're looking at the document where you want to remove the guides. Open your project and navigate to the spread you're currently working on. A spread is simply the pair of facing pages or a single page that you see on screen. The important thing to remember is that this command only affects the guides on the active spread, not the entire document, so make sure you're on the correct one before you continue. Now move your mouse up to the top of the screen and find the menu bar. This is the row of menu options like File, Edit, Layout, Type, and so on. Look for the option labeled View. Go ahead and click on View to open the drop-down menu. Inside the View menu, you'll see a variety of options related to how your document is displayed, such as zoom settings, display performance, and guides and grids. From this list, find the option called Grids and Guides. Hover over or click on Grids and Guides to reveal its submenu. This submenu groups all the commands that control how grids and guides behave, how they're shown, and how they're cleared. Within this Grids and Guides submenu, look for the command labeled Clear Guides. This is the option that will remove all the guides from your current spread in one step. When you're sure you're on the correct spread and you're ready to delete the guides, click on Clear Guides. As soon as you select Clear Guides, all the guides on that spread disappear. This includes any custom guides you dragged out from the rulers and any layout guides that were visible. Your content, such as text frames, images, and shapes, will remain exactly where they are. Only the guidelines themselves are removed. This makes it a safe way to clean up your workspace visually, especially when you no longer need those guides for alignment. If you don't see any change after choosing clear guides, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, check that you actually had guides on that spread to begin with. If there were no guides set up, there will be nothing to clear, so the page will look the same. Second, confirm that you're on the right spread. Remember, the command works on the current spread only, not on other pages in your document. It's also a good habit to think ahead before you clear guides, especially if they were carefully planned for a grid system or a template. If you might need them again later, consider saving a separate version of your document beforehand or noting down key measurements so you can recreate the guides if necessary. To recap, you open the View menu from the menu bar, go to Grids and Guides, and then choose Clear Guides to remove all guides from the active spread. This keeps your layout elements intact while giving you a cleaner, less cluttered view of your design. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly clear guides from your current spread so you can switch between a structured working